Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about the Army's setup to induct Kamikaze drones and deploys more winterized Howitzers on China front. As we know, the Army will soon induct loitering munitions amid the continuing military confrontation with China in eastern Ladakh, while the force also cranks up a long-range, high-volume firepower with winterized Howitzers and advanced rockets backed by drones and weapon-locating radars along the northern borders. The 29-month-long standoff with China has also seen the Army deploy a wide array of big artillery guns along the 3,482-kilometer-long line of actual control stretching from eastern Ladakh to Arunachal Pradesh. These range from the old 105 mm field guns and Bofors howitzers to the upgunned Dhanush and Sharang guns, M777 ultra-light howitzers and K9 Vajra self-propelled tracked guns. The Army is now looking to induct another 100 K9 Vajra guns, which have a strike range of 28 to 38 km from the joint venture between L&T and South Korean Hanwha Defense. The K9 regiment with the winterization kits has already been deployed in eastern Ladakh from the 100 such 155 mm to 52 caliber guns inducted earlier for rupees 4,366 crore.